it's Joe Andrews for Joe's Moses Kitchen. Today, I'm preparing a beef curry in just 15 minutes in a pressure cooker. So don't waste time, let's move on to the video, Joe's Moses Kitchen. Onto a pressure cooker, add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of fennel seed, 150 grams of sliced onions, 6 pieces of crushed garlic, 4 pieces of slit green chilies, 15 pieces of sliced shallots, a small piece of crushed ginger, few curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of salt. Saute it until it is golden in color. Add half teaspoon of turmeric. Give a quick stir. On a very low heat, add 3 tablespoons of coriander powder, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 3 teaspoons of garam masala. Saute until spices are cooked. It won't take too long. Now we are adding bone-in beef 1 kg. Saute for 2 minutes. Add salt to taste. Squeeze some lemon juice. Half cup of water. Give a quick mix. On a high heat, 1 whistle. Lower the heat and 5 to 6 whistles. Turn it off. When the pressure is released, open it up. The beef is ready. The beef is very soft now. All the spices and flavors are well infused. See, the beef is soft. You can enjoy this beef like this. Or if you want to enhance into the next level, let's roast some coconut. Onto a pan, 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard seed. Let mustard seed cracks. Add 1 cup of grated coconut. On a low heat, saute it. Add few curry leaves on the top and saute it until it is golden in color. Make sure you stir it all the time and don't burn the coconut. The coconut is golden color. Sprinkle on top of the beef. Combine well and enjoy this beautiful beef curry or beef roast. The beef we made, it's ready. You can enhance it by putting the coconut on the top. Otherwise also it will be a beautiful beef. So just enjoy and eat. Wow. With bone. I love it. So enjoy and eat. Don't miss out to show your support by subscribing my channel, Joe's Moses Kitchen. Okay, bye. you. Have you ever tried? What about this one? Or what about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Make sure you try it and let me know how it is.